This is episode 2 of the Bite Sized SWE series. Today we're talking about code review, specifically what to do when reviewing code. This one might be a little bit controversial, so leave your thoughts in the comments below whether you agree or disagree. At Meta, we have a principle about code review. It's definitely not widely accepted or used, but people do stick to it in some teams and it does serve a point. And that idea is that when reviewing code, either accept the diff outright or request changes. The logic here is simple. We want to maximize developer productivity and get code out as fast as possible. Leaving comments without a definitive action for the author only slows this process down. Either accept the diff outright, accept it with some comments, or just simply request changes if you cannot proceed with what has been submitted. This way, it's simple. Either I'm unblocked and free to proceed, or I need to rethink parts of my approach. Going back and forth in the comments only slows down the original author and gets you bogged down in a discussion. Accept or reject. Don't sit on the fence. I understand why people don't like rejecting. It can seem a little bit aggressive. Unless something is seriously wrong or broken with the code, or maybe it's an area that you're actually an expert in, it may seem like rejecting can come on a little bit too strong. Just leaving comments is less direct and confrontational. But in the grand scheme of things, it just slows down the process and annoys everyone involved. Either the issues you're flagging are not major enough, in which case just accept the diff. Otherwise, don't beat around the bush. Just ask the original author to fix whatever is the issue. Being direct and straightforward in code review saves a lot of time for everyone. It might make you feel a little bit queasy at first doing this, but there's really nothing more annoying than someone writing a lot of code and then some half-baked comments just slowing you down in the process. Too timid to reject and then too unsure to accept. Either accept or reject. Just choose one. What are your thoughts on this concept? Do you agree? Do you have open-ended comments or do you just accept and reject? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a good day.